Salmon bafethu yabo le video lena ke ngiyenzela ama upcoming artist. If I upcoming artist ufuna ongena egaming, bengicela ungimamele. Yabona if I upcoming artist ne ufuna ungena egaming. First thing omele uyenze i1. Kumele uyenze i1. Yazi business side of music. At least be registered nalama company enza account manje. ISAMRO, iRISA, iCOPASO, iSAMPRA. Yes, iSAMPRA. At least law for make sure ukuthi membership yada. And make sure ukuthi music wakhe uregistered. Make sure ukuthi uyabhadala monthly membership yakho la. I mean yearly. Yeah, I think yearly, annual, yeah. Uyayibhadala. You understand? Be full member. But I think you receive a patalisa membership if I'm mistaken, SAMPRA, Nicopas, I think those three. And then SAMPRA is for free. It's for free. Make sure we part of those companies, you understand? And then number 2, make sure umntu o distribute music wakho or a company distribute music wakho une portal yakho la umane ucheck ukuthi ama streams wakho enza malini. Always 3, make sure mawungena istudio nomuntu is either a celebrity, is either so a celebrity nenza ingoma, make sure ukuthi split sheet sikhona. Yabo, if nivumele split sheet, if nivumele ukuthini uyabhadala for i-service alomuntu loyo, ama masters ngawakho. Make sure ukuthi ama masters ngawakho uhamba nawo. Yayibona lento le, because abantu abaningi guys nenza umculo bese kusasa nekhale just because nifuna ifame, ufuna usheshe waziwe. Yayibona lento le. Yes, uzosheshe waziwe, but lengoma ozwaziwa ngayo le hit yakho i1 angeke wenze imali ngayo, because you took ispan sakho washinika lo muntu lo osegamini and then wafuna ukuthi akwenze famous, and then wakwenza famous but yena wanjani wabenefit on the business side of your music. And angeke umblame because nguwe omnikile lento le, uwomniki imvume. Yebo, abanye beni jaha ukusayina awufundani ukuyifunda icontract ukuthi contract ithini. Jaha ukusayina wasayina, is fine, uphumelele makasana sebeyakwazi impintshi zakho, wena usayina ubani or usayina record label ethize abazokusala utenta namasimba, but at the end ubani ungenza imali nguwe. You have signed awufunda icontract, awazi ama terms and conditions contract, mama usuphakathi sokugaxele manje awusazi manje kumele wenzeni, soyakhala. Hayi mina ndirejwa imali yami so kanti nguwe sayina contract wrong. Wasayina contract wrong, awufundanga icontract. Abanye nidrop out esikolweni awufundi ehlanganisa nephepha, I want to find out awazi ukuthi iphepha libaluleke kangakanani when it's come to music, because music is a business. Awudonke umuntu ungena ku music for ukuthi ufuna ba famous, no. Abantu abaningi bangena ku music ukwenza imali, I mean for fame. Abantu abaningi bangena ku music for ukwenza imali. Wena wangena ku music for fame, bazokuyuza bakunika ifame, bona bedla imali ngawe. Bakunika u 3 years ukuthi 360 deal, uthi uphume so umbashe ngathi uyiphara, because you don't make money. Music wakho akwenzela imali, instead bakudry more, bakusaka more dry, bakusaka energy, bakusaka yonke into ukuthi uphuma so orange elifunqa kanje. Because of what? Awufunanga ukufunda about i-business side of music. Wena ufuna ifame and wasebenza nabantu mawufuna usebenza nabo, awulindanga isikhathi sakho ukuthi mawukhule kahle understand igame, or I fast forward igame because ufuna usheshe ungene egamini. Wa fast forward wangena egamini but manje uyahlupheka imali ayingeni because usayina ama deal wrong. And noba ungaya kuphi ake bakusize because icontract yavela ithi wena usayinile. So izinto emeni sifunde lezo bafethi, in that way uzokwazi ukuthi wenze umculo ophilayo, uzokwazi ukuthi umculo wakho uphilise wena nomndeni wakho. But if wenza ngendlela uzoba manje ufuna into esfast, yes uzoshonta esfast ungena egamini uzoba famous but angeke kube nemali. Ngeke kube nemali. Uzoshama 1 million views ushama but angeke kube nemali. uthi ushaya merchandise yakho the same company excited because i360 deal bayadla phakula kule merchandise yakho because when usayine i360 deal, so there's shares, banama shares. So bafethu vulani la, yayibo lonto le bazonitshela ukuthi wena wasabhilivela kuwe, ngakhona umuntu oyi1 wabhilivela kuwe. I-social ikhona, push ispan sakho khona, i-social push ispan sakho. Believe in yourself, zazi ukuthi unubani, zazi ukuthi lento lo ungayenza wena before abanye abantu bazofika bafake izandla. We know in a way like bakhona abantu bazofika along the way bafake izandla, but abafake izandla kwinto seyikhona already, wenze nawe uzoba nesay. Yayibo lonto leyo, ungaveli ufike nje abantu uthi mina nginephimbo kuphela and then but okay ke siyabelieve lephimboni lakho. In that way they're gonna suck you dry, bazokusaka ube dry. Abadlala abantu la ngaphandle, especially laba bese gaming. Kudala bese gaming labantu laba, kudala besurvive gaming labantu laba basafuna ama hit namanje. So ama hit on underground, bazosala underground bakusakhe, badle hit lakho, badle ngehit lakho, mara kuthule wena badle ngalo. Usala ucwebile wena ungenafokolo ukhala, bakuzwela abantu awu shame ku social, awu shame for what? Because la shame ngeke ukusize. So if upcoming artist sebenza le phela, sebenza umqondo, yonke into yakho ihlele, even if it takes time is fine. Ungajahi izinto because uxaka kusasa, the case is out.